Hello everyone, welcome to Momento Study. If you are a student and you are planning to do law, then you are watching the right video. In today's video, I will be explaining you all about the major law entrance examinations that you can give after class 12th. So come let us begin the video. First examination is Common Law Admission Test, that is CLAT, and through this examination you can get admission into 22 national law universities. The total seats are 2175, which are further divided into like this. The syllabus for this examination is GK and current affairs, legal aptitude, English, quantitative, that is also maths, and reasoning. The paper pattern is like this: 150 MCQs which you have to solve in 2 hours. Negative marking is included. The examination fees is 4,000, and for filling the preference list you need to be very careful. I will be making a separate video on explaining how do you fill the preference list for CLAT examination. But for now, keep in mind that you have to watch that video to see how to fill the preference list. The next examination is AILET, National Law University. It is a NLU, but they conduct their own separate examination. Now, the total number of seats in NLU Delhi are 52. So if you are very sure of your preparation that you can definitely crack this examination, then I would suggest go for it and invest your 3050 rupees in giving this examination. But if you are little doubtful about your preparation, then I would suggest try giving any other exam, because seats in this institute are very less, that is only 52. The paper pattern is same, 150 MCQs. You are given 1.5 hours to solve this. Negative marking is included. The syllabus is same as that of CLAT: English, GK, maths, legal aptitude, and logical reasoning. Next examination is Symbiosis Law Admission Test. Now, Symbiosis is one of the private institutes which is doing very well in the field of law. They have 4 colleges in Pune, Hyderabad, Noida, and Nagpur. Total seats are 1080. The examination fees is 1750. 90 questions are asked to be solved in 2 hours. The syllabus is same as that of CLAT: GK, legal, logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, and comprehension, but the selection process is little different. Firstly, you have to give the exam, and out of those, you have to give the exam, and on the basis of your score, few students are selected for personal interview and writing ability test round. In this round, all the students are called to Pune to give this second round, that is personal interview and writing ability test. Then on the cumulative score of both the rounds, list of selected students is given by them. Next institute is Christ University Law Exam. This is again a private institution but is doing really well in the field of law. Their examination fees is 5,000, and examination pattern is like this: 120 marks exam comes, and the selection process is little different. It is a 3-step process. Firstly, you are judged on your writing skills, communication skills, and logical reasoning. Then you are judged on your micro presentation which you give for 90 seconds, and lastly your personal interview is conducted, in which you are judged on the basis of your academic result in class 11th, in class 10th, and class 12th. The syllabus for their examination is English, reasoning, GK, current affairs, data analysis, and interpretation. No legal is asked in their exams. Next examination which you can give is UPES Dehradun. They have a different pattern on which they select the students. First is you can give either their exam ULSAT, or you can score up to 10,000 rank in CLAT, or above 85% marks in 10th or 12th, or above 60% in LSAT. LSAT is different exam. I will be explaining you about it in the next slide. For now, you have to understand that if you have to take admission in UPES Dehradun, you can opt any of these 4 options. And after this, you are called for personal interview and group discussion. Based on your performance in this round, you are selected for taking admission in UPES Dehradun. The syllabus for their examination is same: language, maths, legal, logical reasoning, and they ask 150 questions in their examination. Next exam is for Punjab University. It is a state university but a very named university for law. They have their three centers in Chandigarh, Ludhiana and Hoshiarpur, and based on your score they give you the seat in one of these three centers. They will ask you 100 questions to be solved in 90 minutes. Negative marking is there. The syllabus is GK, current affairs, legal aptitude, English and reasoning. And their selection process is also different. 50% weightage they give to the exam which they conduct, and 50% weightage is given to your score in class 12th board examinations. Next exam which you can give is law school admission test, that is LSAT. It has more than 80 above private institutions that accept this score, but particularly students give this examination to get selected in Jindal Global Law School, that is in Sonipat, a very famous law university, but the fees of this university is relatively higher. So before filling up for this examination, I would recommend you to please check the fee structure of Jindal Global Law School. Otherwise, all other universities are also included in this examination. The paper pattern is like this: 92 questions in 2 hours 20 minutes. All are MCQs based on these topics: analytical reasoning, logical reasoning, and comprehension passage. And the result comes in the form of percentage. And lastly, there is MHCET and IPUCET. So if you are planning to pursue your law from Maharashtra, then you have to specifically give this exam. And if you want to pursue your law from Delhi, then this exam is a must for you. Otherwise, you cannot get admission in any of the law universities in Maharashtra or in Delhi. But one of the drawback of this exam is 85% seats are given to the domicile. That means the people who stay in Maharashtra or Delhi, the residents of Maharashtra and Delhi. And rest 15% seats are for the general category who belong to outside Delhi or outside Maharashtra. The syllabus is same: English, maths, logical reasoning, GK, analytics, and for IPUCET it's English, reasoning and GK. Few of the famous colleges under Maharashtra law entrance exam are ILS Pune, Indian Law School Pune, or Government Law College in Mumbai. So these are few of the very good colleges and very old institutes for which students prefer to fill up this examination. And famous universities under IPU exam are these, in which on top comes the Gobind Indraprasth University, then comes the MIT Law School, BLS and JIMS, then Vivekanand and rest others. So and then others. So these are major 7 to 8 examinations, law entrance examinations that you can fill after class 12th. Rest you can decide on the basis of your choice or your proximity to any institution. My personal suggestion to you is, do not completely depend on CLAT. Along with CLAT, surely take up any backup option. Along with CLAT, you can fill Symbiosis or Christ, or you can try to fill for UPES Dehradun, and this would actually secure your seat. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please tell us in the comment section. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on our Instagram page. Do like and subscribe our channel and follow for more updates. Thank you.